Okay guys, a quick tour of this 3-bedroom apartment rental in Santa Marta Beach. So here's the kitchen. Pretty small kitchen, but it does what it has to do. Refrigerator, cabinets, cable TV with Wi-Fi, and it's actually a 3-bedroom. It's not bad. 2 full bathrooms. There's 1 bedroom, bathroom, 2 bedrooms with double beds, AC. So if you bring in a group of people, there's tons of space. There's a second full bathroom with a shower. This bathroom is actually bigger than the other one. I like the shower better. There's a 3rd bedroom. It's pretty small, but it does what it has to do. And it's oceanfront, so you get a nice view of the ocean, even from the kitchen. So let me know what you guys think. It's again, it's $35 a day in Rodadero Beach, Santa Marta, Colombia. Comment down below.